Are you looking to learn C programming and boost your chances of landing a job or internship? ELEATION's C training program offers 100% placement assistance and has already helped thousands of learners. In today's video, I'll show you why our program stands out and how you can join for just Rs 1000. Our program is designed for everyone, whether you are a beginner or have some programming experience. We provide lifetime access to video lectures, real-world projects, and personalized mentorship to ensure that you become job-ready. But what truly sets us apart is our 100% placement assistance program. Now is the perfect time to join. Our program, priced at Rs 2,499, is available for just Rs 1,000 if you register now. You'll receive a discount of Rs 1,499. Use the QR code displayed on the screen to register and secure your spot. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to kickstart your career. Our 100% placement assistance ensures that every student who completes the course gets personalized help in applying for internships or jobs. From building an impressive resume to preparing for technical interviews, we guide you every step of the way to make sure you land the right opportunity. You might wonder how ELEATION compares to other training programs. While most programs charge high fees and offer limited support, we provide lifetime access, real-world projects, and 100% placement assistance, all for just Rs 1,000. No other program offers this much value at such an affordable price. So, what are you waiting for? Join ELEATION's C training program today for just Rs 1,000 and take your first step toward a successful career in programming. Scan the QR code now to register. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, and share this video with anyone looking for 100% placement assistance in programming.